This is what happens inside the bottom of a water heater tank when you do not periodically drain the tank out. A lot of scale and calcium carbonate and algae buildup can happen at the bottom of the tank. This tank had at least 5 to 6 inches in the bottom of it. The element was also destroyed and needed to be changed out. So we went ahead and we put a shop vac with a piece of pipe on the end inside there to shop vac out all this algae and scale buildup, as you can see here in this bucket that we were dumping it in. So make sure that you maintenance your water heater and you periodically drain the tank, probably at least every 5 to 6 months, to help prevent this.